हमारा सपना ही हमारी उपासना है, हमारी पूजा है, आराधना है। सपने नहीं तो हम नहीं, सपने नहीं तो रिश्ते नहीं, दुनिया नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं। जो भी है वो सपनों से है और जो भी होगा वो सपनों से ही होगा। A dream, a vision is not an intangible, unreal, imaginary piece of fiction. A dream has hands, it has feet, it has a body. Your hands, your feet, your body. The dream is you, and you are the dream. We are because we dare to dream. We are because we learn to excel. Whatever is good to know is difficult to learn. Our dream is our worship. Our vision is our prayer. This is the structure of dreams. This is the bond. The child is the dream of its parent, a dream that the parent lives. If you want to learn how to live your dream, just watch your parents. With caring, with passion, with resolve, with commitment, and with determination. If I had been a sportsman, a boxer, athlete, hockey player, cricketer, if I had joined the army, the navy, and the air force, if I had been anything else other than an actor, my parents would still have been happy because I was their dream, no matter what I myself was dreaming to be. That's the easy part. The tough one comes later. The tough part is when you and your dream cannot be distinguished. When you become the dream, you look forward to making those dreams come alive. Your parents look upon you with prayers, your teachers look up to you with pride, and the nation looks up to you with hope. That is the strength and the power of a dream. And today it is yours. Grab it with all your courage and make it happen. Do not gamble on life. It may not happen twice. The boxing ring in my school was a compulsory activity. Everybody at school had to enter the boxing ring and fight. To me, it was a great tutor in this regard. You will have any amount of support from outside the ropes, but inside, you're on your own. Similarly, in life beyond, you may have a die-hard corps of cheering fans and also perhaps those that jeer at you, criticize you, abuse you in contempt. But at the end of the day, you must engage life alone. Academic achievement is not enough. The kind of knowledge gained through a good education is more than just the acquisition of information. Knowledge is learning what to do with all that information. Gandhiji said, "Be the change that you wish to see in the world." If I were to add my feelings to it, I'd say, be the dream that you wish to see in the world.